Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we want to find the value of a square given that a raised to power a equals 2 raised to square root of 200. Now from here, let's recall from here we have a raised to power a to be equals 2 raised to square root of 200, but we believe that 200 equivalent to 25 multiplied by 8. Now, by substituting that one here, we are going to have a raised to power a to be equals 2 raised to square root of 25 multiplied by 8. And we believe that in short, when you have square root of ab, this can be simplified to be square root of a multiplied by square root of b. So by applying that one here, what we are going to have will be a raised to power a will be equals 2 raised to square root of 25 multiplied by square root of 8. So from here, what we are going to have will be a raised to power a will be equals, this will now be 2 square root of 25 is 5 will now be multiplied by square root of 8. So in indices, when you have b raised to power mn, this can be simplified to be equals b raised to power n and raised to power m. This is law of indices. So now let's apply this one here. That means we can have a raised to power a to be equals 2 raised to power 5 raised to power square root of 8. So from here we have a raised to power a to be equals, note that 2 raised to power 5 equals 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 and multiplied by 2. So from here, 2 multiplied by 2, 4, 4 multiplied by 2, 8, 8 multiplied by 2, 16, 16 multiplied by 2 is 32. So from here, we are going to have it to be 32 raised to square root of 8. Now, from here, one thing is we can 32 is equivalent to, when you say you have the square root of 32 and raised to power 2 again, this expression is correct because we believe that this square root will cancel this square. So we are going to have our 32 back. Now let's substitute this one that equals this here. We are going to have a raised to power a to be equals square root of 32, which raised to power 2 and also raised to power square root of 8. So now from here, what we're going to have will be a raised to power a will be equals square root of 32 all raised to power 2 then multiply by square root of 8. And mind you that we can also have this to be 2 to be equals square root of 4. 2 equivalent to square root of 4. Now, by substituting this one here, what we are going to have will be a raised to power a will be equals square root of 32 raised to power square root of 4, then multiply by square root of 8. But note that, look at this expression very well. When you have square root of 4 multiplied by square root of 8, this can also be simplified to be square root of 4 multiplied by 8. And this will be equivalent to, when you say you have square root of 4 multiplied by 8 is 32. So therefore, this equivalent to square root of 32, that means we are going to have a raised to power a to be equals square root of 32 raised to power square root of 32. Now from here, it is crystal clear that so further we have a raised to power a to be perfect square. We have this one also to be a raised to square root of 32 to be raised to square root of 32. A raised to power a, we have square root of 32 raised to power square root of 32. It implies that this equals this and this also equals this one. So therefore, our a equals square root of 32. Now, but the question says that given this expression that we should find a square, we want to find the value of a square. That means we want to find the value of a square. Now, by squaring both sides, that means we are going to have it to be a raised to power 2 will be equals square root of 32 raised to power 2. So from here, this will cancel this out. We are going to have our a square to be equals 32. And this is the value for a square. So if you are new here, watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and follow me on my Facebook page and comment. Bye.